Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by collecting the core hardware and imaging the SD card. This saves time later. Plug the Pi into power and Ethernet or Wi-Fi and attach the USB mic and speaker so you can test audio immediately. Once done, flash Raspberry Pi OS and enable SSH so you can work headlessly. This lets you iterate faster. Make sure to update packages and set locale and time zone now, because consistent environment prevents audio and permission oddities during later setup. You next install the assistant software in a Python virtual environment to isolate dependencies and prevent system conflicts. Configure ALSA and Pulse audio for reliable microphone and speaker routing. Test capture and playback with AirAccord and a play so you know volumes and latency. Then, register the device with your chosen assistant service and place client secrets in a protected config file. This step authorizes voice access and explains why tokens must be stored securely rather than in plain text. You finish by creating a systemd unit so the assistant launches on boot and recovers from crashes, because unattended reliability matters. Calibrate the wake word and echo cancellation to reduce false triggers, and tune microphone sensitivity so the assistant hears you without clipping. For testing, run full query flows and inspect logs to validate authentication and audio paths. If things go wrong, the quickest diagnostic is verifying USB power and running AirAccord / a play while watching Journoctal. That locates hardware versus software faults.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.